just got to the dock. We're ready to go on this mission. Next stop, Bahamas, Bimini, with the crew. This is how we're gonna do it. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and we're ready to go. We're prepping up the boat, ready to leave. It's nice and calm, weather's good. We out. Minutes away from the Bahamas. Everybody say what's up? We ready! The Chichi clan in full effect. See the Bahamas in the distance. Made it to the Bahamas. Gigi, we made it. We here. Beautiful Bahamas. Bimini Bahamas. Check it out. Beautiful, right?
On behalf of Chichi Cruises, we welcome you to Bimini Bahamas.
Yeah.
Chichi Airlines, Chichi Cruises, Chichi Trucking, Chichi Taxi. Yeah, he probably followed me, you know?
Welcome to the Bahamas. Check it out. Oh my God. Mi gente, miren para atrás.
Please.
Ya llegamos a Bimini. Doing our thing here. Enjoying life.
Las 2:30, si comemos bien ahora.
I saw you twice for this morning. I thought you were one of my friends from Freeport.
Ah.
I'm the guy you hailed in the pilot boat.
Oh, wave to the camera, bro.
Primero que comamos ahora. Así. Porque yo sé que cuando nos metemos en la piscina, yo me conozco. Ahí pido la comida y todo. Pero no hay, después sí.
About to check out the pool. Then we're gonna go out to a restaurant and just chill. Do what we gotta do.
Oh, yeah.
Aquí nosotros nos metemos.
We got our buddies hanging out with us today here. Buddy Russ, check out his boat.
Great.
What's up?
El primero de muchos que vienen por esto.
There you go. Say that in English. Say that in
This
English.
is the first of many crossings to come.
That's right.
Many crossings to come.
Work hard, play hard. Check
To
this
Bimini.
out. Can't get better than this.
Bimini, bro.
Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful.
We gotta put our drones up in the air and fly them.
Yeah. Beautiful. Check out our boy Russ's boat. Came and hang out with us too.
That's a monster boat. That's a monster boat.
Check out the hotel,
Yeah.
pool. This is how you do it. So we're on this trolley, but we don't know where we're going.
We're under
There we go.
Audentia's direction again.
So we're not going nowhere.
We cleared immigration already. Hey, did they show up? Did they show up?
No, the lady's like, don't worry about it. They always say that. This is Joe. Hey, whoa, make sure we're in the right place.
So pretty.
I'll tell you what.
Can you wait? Maybe wait here. We'll get the
She's having fun. Check this out. It's crazy. We're gonna go eat something. Check out all the boats. Wow. Bahamas, baby. Here we go. day 2 out here in the Bahamas. It was raining this morning. We camped out last night. Everything looks good, beautiful, a little bit of clouds. Everything is good. So day 2 of the Bahamas. So we're here. One more day. Beautiful out here.
Let me see if I can get it.
These things make such a difference.
Yeah? It's chilling! Where we at, Gigi? Where we at, Gigi?
Oh my God, these things make such a difference.
Epa, ahí hay un reggae boricua. And we have some more over there. Look at the flag. Woo!
I don't think because la marea.
¿Quieres un?
It's really
I don't have a noodle, but I got.
we just got a sunken ship in the middle of the Bahamas. Check it out. So we inside a sunken ship in the middle of Bimini in the Bahamas. It's crazy. I'm gonna go down and see what's down there. There goes my beautiful wife. Say hi. Yeah, Gigi is still trying to look for a mask. Gotta live life, people. Look behind me. Beautiful. In the Bahamas. Can't get better than this. Peachy! He got it! Well, this is our last day here. We're ready to go. Time to go back to Orlando. This is the crew here. Captain David. Everybody say bye. Check it out one more time. Beautiful.